You write down your average monthly income. And you have to include every consistent source. Salary, lahat ng kinikita mo sa trabaho mo. Business income. So if may business ka, write down your income. Freelance work, if you are doing side hustles, also do that. And if you have some passive income. Whatever regularly comes into your life, do not overthink it. We don't need to be perfect here. You can just put an honest estimate, and that's enough. Again, remember, this is not an audit. It is for our awareness. So, lahat ng pinagkakakitaan mo, name it. So, right now, I just wrote down my salary. So, you can do the same. For me, ang pinagkakakitaan ko lang ngayon ay yung aking salary. So, hopefully, in the next sessions, we will learn how to add some income streams here. Or, anything na pwede pa nating pagkakitaan. So now, we can go to step 2.